had me falling to the ground like a king without a crown. Whoa.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Nature Elegancy, and in today's video now I am gonna show you how to make rose water at home in a very simple and easy process. As we all know that rose water is how much essential for our daily skincare routine. It helps to maintain the pH balance of our skin. Besides this, it helps to remove all the dirt and the excessive oils from our skin. It keeps our skin hydrated and soft in our skin. So guys, you can see that there are a lot of benefits of using rose water. So let's get started.
At first I have taken 7 clean and fresh red roses. I have already washed it. Then the petals are separated from the flowers. After that, take 2 cups of water in a container and bring it to boil. When the water starts boiling, add the petals into the water. Then shake it up with the help of a spoon. After that, cover the container with a lid and again boil it for 5 minutes in a very low flame. After the 5 minutes, turn off the flame and open the lid, and you can see it's almost done. So now let it be cool for 10 minutes. Then strain it with the help of a strainer. Here I am storing the water in a spray bottle, but you can store it in any type of clean container as you like. And thus, your homemade rose water is absolutely ready for use. Apply this on your skin twice daily. You can apply this with the help of a cotton ball, and I can assure you that you can see the difference on your skin in just 1 week if you use it daily.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really like this video then don't forget to give a thumbs up. Please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the notification first. I will be back in my next videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.